Hey, what's up, guys? Remember she back. Got myself an Optic 2021 22 Optic Donruss Optic basketball blaster. $30 for one of these. $10 overpriced. See what's in here. Hopefully it's really good. They had like 40 of these in Target. Last time they had a whole bunch of Prism Megas, and they still do. They have like 9 of them left. So I'll open this up here. Check out that Artifacts box break I just did, if you haven't yet. Definitely a nice box. There's definitely a lot of boxes I want to get through today, but I got a couple of things like Star Wars figures and stuff for my phone. So you got 6 packs in here. 5 cards per pack. I know that Anthony Edwards and Luka Doncic or base cards are going for a lot right now on this. I just saw. So let's open this up. It says on here, look for retail exclusive the ultra rare checkerboard prisms. Look for signatures purple, and look for 7 inserted or prism parallels per box on average. There's the stats. Or, sorry, the odds, not the stats, dumbass. I called myself on that. I called myself a dumbass. Hold on. When I butcher something. Alright. The design's really nice. Starting off with a Brandon Boston Jr. rated rookie. For, the Clippers. 200 card base set. Got Cole Anthony. Duncan Robinson. Kemba Walker. And that is actually a really nice card. We got a winner stays. Sorry if I said stars. Shaquille O'Neal. Shaq. I haven't pulled a Shaq card in a while. If you guys haven't seen my Prism box break yet, last month or a couple weeks ago, it was around my birthday. Check it out. Probably here soon, guys. I'll be breaking into basketball or more basketball, but holiday baseball. So inserts on the back. Rookie on the front. We got a Moses Moody. Rated rookies. Put that right there. We got a Ortiz. Something. Got a Killer. Got R.J. Barrett. And my house. This is my house. Zion Williamson. Visited. I know, Georgia. Tennessee. Just pull this Zion.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Georgia's really good.
Yeah, they are. They're really good this year.
They're gonna win it.
Yeah, they will. That or Ohio State. That's definitely true. Alright. Next pack, guys. Jalen Suggs. And Chronicles basketball, too. I'll have to open one of those at some point. We got Dort. We have a LeBron James. LeBron James. I kind of hate LeBron James, to be honest. Kind of hate him as a person. But he's a really good player. Just not really a big fan of LeBron James. But that's definitely a nice card, though. Those AT&T commercials, I get them every time I watch something. They're starting to get really annoying every second I turn on my television. I'm just being honest. Miles McBride. Yeah, girl, my favorite player right now, Zach Levine. Terrence Ross. Put that up here. There's that Jokic, something like that. Express lane of Donovan Mitchell for the Jazz. Definitely a nice card right there. So far, no prisms, guys. I don't know. I don't know. Let's think about this product. I wanted to try it out. Nice insert. Space cards are nice. I think $30 might be too steep. If you guys are going for base sets, might as well do it. Oh, here we go. We got a color in here. Sengun. We had a rookie. Andrew Wiggins. I got a Patrick Williams. Got a Duncan Robinson purple. Purple Nurple. Prism. Definitely a nice one right there. We got a Prism file. Want to see some color, man. I love seeing color. Prism was definitely outside. Yeah, it says Prism on the back. This is Optic. Butcher someone else again. And we got a nice card right here. Should I get rid of this Alexander Express Lane? We got 2 of these. I don't know how many cards are in the set. So far I know it's 17. Yeah. Nice pack. So for 2 blasters, or 3 blasters would be over $100. Oh, there's the one I was looking for. Luka Garza. Really big fan of this guy in college. There's an OG. Got a Brady Beal. There's a Giannis. Nice. Definitely a nice card. And we got a splash of Trae Young. That's actually a really nice card. I like that one. Overall, guys, design's not bad. I just think $30 might be too much overall for a box. To be totally honest, but would I probably try one of these again? Probably, yeah. Just, I don't know. I like Prism more. Let's give my thoughts on other box breaks. 6 packs. Just only got 1 Prism, which it's not terrible, but $30, just too steep for what you get. So base cards. So rated rookies. There's a 200 card set. Every pack you get a rated rookie. We got Luka Garza, Sengun, McBride, Suggs, Boston Jr., and a Moody. And our inserts, get a perimeter recap. Trae Young. The Express Lane subset, insert set. LeBron James. Probably nice Zion. It's probably my favorite card. And the purple Prism Optic. Alright, guys, that was it for the box break. Nothing too crazy, like the Artifacts box break, but I'll see you guys soon. Peace.